In this video, I'll show you how to install the Menyoo mod for GTA 5. If you find this guide helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Before we begin, keep in mind that this mod is designed for GTA 5 story mode only. It lets you spawn vehicles, change the weather, teleport, enable special abilities, and access many other features. Do not use this mod in GTA Online, as it may result in penalties to your account. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and visit the GTA 5 mods website. I'll leave the download link in the description below. Once you're on the mod page, click Download, then click Download again to save the file. You'll also need ScriptHook V, and I'll include that link in the description as well. Open the ScriptHook V page and download the latest version. After both files have finished downloading, locate your GTA 5 installation folder. You can usually find it in your Steam, Epic Games, or Rockstar Games installation directory. Open the ScriptHook V zip file, then open the bin folder. Copy the 3 files inside and drag them into your GTA 5 installation folder. If prompted, choose to replace or overwrite any existing files. Next, open the Menyoo mod zip file. Inside, you'll find the menyoo.aci file and the Menyoo stuff folder. Drag both of these into your GTA 5 installation folder. The installation is now complete. Before launching the game through the Rockstar Games launcher, open Settings and disable BattleEye by unchecking the option. This is required for story mode mods to work properly. Now launch GTA 5. Once you're in story mode, press F8 on your keyboard to open the Menyoo mod. From there, you can access features such as vehicle spawning, teleportation, weapons, weather controls, and many other customization options.